Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means every single candlestick represents one hour. And whenever I place a cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date below. This double dotted vertical lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. So yesterday gold market opened around 30,810. So this is the zone. You can see this candlestick. No, this is the zone where the price opened yesterday, and we have a strategy was very clear that we were targeting this 30,820. This is the zone which we were targeting, and also we had identified that the market is finding a good resistance around 30,860. So till this zone we expected the market to continue to stay down unless until we see a clear price action above 30,860 or 30,820. We expected that the gold has got a lot of possibilities to move down. So now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see that the market was taking some resistance around this zone. It is clearly taking some resistance around 30,820. That pushed the market till 30,760. We know that yesterday and also on 24th also the market gave a bounce back from this zone 30,760. Even what we can do is that we can even mark this zone of 30,760 since it is providing some support. We can see there was some pullback happening around this zone. So exactly after reaching this zone, the market had provided a pullback till 30,860. We know that it is a potential resistance zones, and what it did is that it pushed the market down again, and again we can see that the price took some support in and around this 30,760 zone. Since support and resistance is not a single line, it's a zone, so it gave a clear momentum at the end of the trading session. It gave a clear momentum and the price tried to stay above 30,860, and it came down and closed around 30,837. So today what we can expect is that there is no change in our strategies, and we had identified these trend lines. So how we had drawn these trend lines, you can see that we had identified this downtrend line. Unless until the market breaks this trend, we expected the market to stay down. And also we had drawn this uptrend line also. You can see how what are the lows we had connected to draw this uptrend line. So we had the low that was created on 22nd. You can see the date below. On 22nd we had picked the low and we had drawn an uptrend line. And also, as you know, that we had identified it's a very long trend line. We had identified the low that was created on 14th, and we had connected this to draw the uptrend line also. So you can see there now the market was staying how the trend lines are following the market. So this is the major reason why we always say market follows the trend. So this is the long-term trend line which we had identified, and this is the short-term trend lines which we had identified. You can pause and go back and see how we had drawn the trend lines, and if you have any doubt how to identify, how to modify, and how to draw a trend line, because trend line is a leading indicator, you can please contact us and we will be ready to guide you. So today also there is no change in our strategy or view. Today also we expect the same thing, since the price was trading below 30,860 and below 30,820. Still the market has got some potential to move down. So unless until it clears this trend line, that downtrend line, it clears the trend line, and if it provides some price action above that, and we suspect that market has got the possibilities to move down. And today's price opening is going to play a major role. Today we are expecting the price to open somewhere below 30,820 and below 30,800 zones. So today's price opening we are expecting gold to open below this zone. So that is a very crucial stage for us, as we are predicting the price opening based upon the COMEX price directions, and also since we are posting the presentation well before the currency market price opening, it is subjected to changes based upon the currency value also. So you should make a note of around the 9 o'clock the market opens, and make some adjustment based upon that also. So today the expected price opening according to our view can be below 30,800 or 30,820. So this gives us again a direction that since we had identified the yesterday's trend line, it can be broken easily. So the next stage is that the market we should follow this trend. If the price, in order to maintain the uptrend, the market should follow this trend. If the price was broken comfortably, so that is a major reason the market is taking some support around 30,760. You can see this trend indicates a closing of around 30,760. If we get something below 30,760, then the target zones are 30,720, and also we can draw let us see how we can identify the intermediate zones. The next zone indicates 30,620, just because that this is the area where the market provided a clear breakout. So this is the top where the market found some resistance. So we can we can identify this as a zone. In order to make it precise, we can have it as 30,660. These are the possible targets if the price moves down. And let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Today we are expecting gold to move down. So today the price opening can play a major role. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos, and happy trading. Take care. Bye.